When you watch two Uber drivers lose all their money,
Niall.
in the market, all right, but that's okay. That's okay because we're using paper money, because we're trying to find our way out of ride sharing through day trading. And the idea is to make $300 a day keeps ride sharing away. Wait, hold on. We can't trade on Saturday and Sundays. So we're still going back to the $500 a day.
Yep.
Or
Yep.
400 $400. $400 of the wait. Yeah, $400 a day keeps ride sharing away.
This guy. This guy. All
Or
right.
$2,000 a week.
Hold on. We're almost ready. Almost ready. Almost ready. Waiting on the bell. I need the bell, bro. It's not 9:30 yet. It's not 9:30 yet. It's almost 9:30.
I'm sorry, I got a new sound.
What? I'm waiting on 9:30.
There we go. There we go. And let's go. Let's see how much money we can make today trading. And I shall be. Ah, look, it's okay. It's not showing
What's not showing?
on my trader view for Nasdaq. Okay, let's do XPX. No, what's SPX for? SPX.
Well, I'm not jumping the gun this morning. We're gonna let this market calm down. Obviously, SPY is way up this morning. We're gonna let the market calm down a little bit, figure out what it wants to do, and go from there. I don't want to be called a perma bear today, you know.
Yeah, Nasdaq is not showing the volume. All right. Um. All right, let's do this. I got the SPY up.
You got your SPY up.
Always. Always. Oh, and you know what? Where is Tesla? Uh, Tesla is still under the 50.
Yeah. She's not doing that yet. She got earnings today after hours too. Don't forget. You got Tesla earnings today after market close.
Can't believe the rocket didn't take off. 48 hours. We gotta wait. We gotta wait freaking 2 days.
We will be
3 days.
live. No, we won't be live. All right, let's see. SPY's just kind of coming down a little bit here. Oh, I didn't. You know what I didn't do? Come on, Vince. You got to be smarter than this, dude. Let's get with the program. Yeah. Gotta remember to do this, bro. Gotta remember to do this. So what I did was I just pulled a Fibonacci off the pre-market open low.
Uh-huh.
This would be the high. I've never done it this way. This is, I don't know. I'm kind of messing with it. See what it does here. I know we've got a 415.09 was yesterday's high.
Hold on. What are you looking at?
SPY, bro. SPY. SPY. So I want to see if it's going to hold yesterday's opening or yesterday's high range is 415.09. It just bounced down to that and it's bouncing off now. Let's see what it does. I'm looking at SPY this morning. I'm actually bullish this morning. I don't know why. I just feel like being a bull.
Hmm.
We'll see what happens here, bro. Let's see what happens.
Just trying to mark my lines again. Let me see. Daily, 4 hour. Oh, 416.72. Hold on, let me adjust this line right here. Four, man, 416.72. Oh, I would love to see it touch that level. See
Which
what it
level?
does. On
We're
SPY, 416.72.
416.72.
Yep.
You're up there, bro. What the hell is that? 416.72.
If you look at the 4 hour, or can you see it on the daily? You could see it on the no, it will be on the 4 hour. 4 hour back in 2-2.
Oh, I'm not going back that far.
Let's do the hourly. Yep. 30 minutes. All
I'm
right,
just
let's
waiting.
see.
I'm doing the Dom. I need some kind of confirmation. You got a lot of pressure trying to push it down if you look at your wicks. So we just wait.
See, this is what I see. This right here. Not 30 minutes.
What's going on out there in the world? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Eddie,
Good.
he's supposed to be the host.
Yeah, I'm looking. I'm just marking my line. Just marking a line right here. Just marking the damn line. All right. This is a possible rejection level. It's pretty close. It's pretty close right here. See that? What is this high of? 416.57. 416.57. Change thickness. All right. There. See that? See that? See that? There, there, there. But we're gonna sit here and we are going to wait. I want to see what it does. I want to see what it does for today.
Nvidia's breaking out. They got earnings. I just don't want to get trapped like I did yesterday in the chop. I don't want to be in the chop today. Oh. Brandon wants 30 minutes on the show, huh? If you show up.
Brandon wants 30 minutes.
Yeah, he wants to talk about some things that's going on up there in Chicago. You know, he's got the black SUV. There's a lot going on. The Discord, somebody posted up one of Professor's videos, like now Uber. I haven't seen it yet. I can't find it. I don't know if it's a California thing or if it's a thing for nationwide. I haven't seen an email yet. I haven't seen anything in my app yet. But Uber now, if you turn down your first three requests, that come
Uh-huh.
to you, they're going to take away your upfront details for 30 minutes. They're going to punish you, which I don't even think that's legal. But until
Well,
somebody fucking sues them, it's always better to ask for forgiveness than to ask for permission. That's how some people think in life.
yeah, but can't you just use the Power app and the Power app automatically gives you the
But
info?
it doesn't matter. No, I don't know. I don't know.
You know what I mean, right?
Yeah, I know what you're saying. Yeah, but I think, yeah, maybe.
Because the Power reads the information that you get that the app gives out.
This is true. All right. So I'm just so you know what I'm looking at. I pulled a fib off the top of the opening candle this morning on SPY to the bottom, and we're back up in the golden zone. So we're going to see here if we're going to break out or if we're going to fail. So I don't have a chart up for you guys this morning to show you what I'm doing. I
It's 'cause you're
should.
being
No, I'm not being anything, bro. What the is wrong with you, dude?
trying to hide secrets.
It's not secrets. It's called being smart. I'm over here doing my thing like you're doing your thing, bro. But I'm going to show it to you, okay? I'm just marking it up right now at this particular moment. So give me a second. All right, there's that. I bring up my screen. You can see what I'm looking at. And there you go. So I pulled SPY. Oh, man, son of a bitch. Get out of there. So I pulled SPY up this morning. Here's the top of the opening candle. Okay. Here's the low of day right now, 415.03. I'm looking for confirmation. This right here, this box is at 61.8 to 78.3. This is a retracement area. This is my confirmation if we break out and keep going, or if we just get in here and then fall back down again. That's what I'm looking at, Edward. These are my options I'm looking at right here. So on the paper trading account, I got 5 contracts dialed up. On my live paper trading account, I've got 2 contracts pulled up. Are we going to break that zone? We break the zone, we might take a stab at it. If not, we're going to have to be waiting for the confirmation here. Everything's on the high this morning.
It's green.
See that big push down? See that long wick?
Yep.
That
It
long
hit
wick?
that 415 level,
Yep.
which is oh yeah. Okay, yep.
You see what I mean? So there's a lot
Yep.
of selling pressure at 415.50. It's a ton of pressure. So we're just waiting to see
See
future,
if it
see if it rejects.
well right
And
now it's bouncing off of it.
now my trading view, I got a 2-minute chart up. So let's break this to 2 minutes, and now you see a completely different picture. See that? Now it looks
Uh-huh.
completely different. But it's bouncing off the 9 EMA on the 2-minute. So we got to see what it wants to do here. We are waiting to see what she does here this morning. Now it looks like it wants to, it's trying to break out. You see that, right?
I see it. It's coming up. What is this? This is the that's the 50.
All right. Well, now that you have volume on your trading view, what does volume look like?
The volume on the SPY is 1.2 million, and but your average is 70. So
Yep. So we're still working with low volume.
yeah,
So someone once asked me why am I so bearish? I'm not bearish. I'm just waiting to see how it's rejecting now.
he likes the horns. Mhm. Let me see. The market is still it's still green. Market is still green. Renewables, integrated hardware, green. Residential and commercial, green. Educational, a little bit of red. Let me see. Bio. Oh, bio is freaking green. I wouldn't be surprised. Real estate, green. Coal, green. Passenger transportation. Oh, this will be us, right?
What's that?
Media and publishing, everything. No, I'm just looking. Everything's green.
All right. Now I'm also going to pull something here. I'm going to pull a little trend line here. See what this does. Let's see what happens in this range here. You got that nice trend line going there.
It's just that Nasdaq. See Nasdaq. I don't get It doesn't show me volume at all.
All right, looks like we're gonna get a nice little pop here, but it's still not breaking out. We haven't broken out yet. Boom, boom.
There's boom boom with commuter.
There's commuter in the house. Shit, Mara's going nuts. Bitcoin must be going nuts today. No, Bitcoin's it's only at 30,000.
Yeah, I didn't know you could put people on timeout on the
Tesla's
Restream.
making a move back up.
Uh oh, here we go again.
We might get a little breakout here.
Hold on, I'll be back.
Oh, sorry guys. I'm looking at one thing and uh just give me a second. I didn't know Eddie was going to take off on me like that.
All right, here we go.
All right, SPY starting to break out. Can it break high a day? Just slapped up on the 1 minute, just slapped up against the 200 moving average and kind of rejected a little bit, but we're going to ride this 9 EMA out a little bit and see what happens on the 9 EMA there, buddy. See that 9 EMA?
Yes, I am. Let me see what we got here. I'm gonna look at my 30-minute. I need to There is that spot. That's the one you're talking about. Yeah. That 415 level. 415.09. There we go. You wicked right on that line.
All right, we're breaking out above the high a day on
It's 8:49. Oh, okay, it's time. It is time. The volume right now is still 1.43 million. Here comes the pullback. Hopefully, it does it right to the 9 EMA.
See, this is why it's so hard to listen to anybody on the internet or anything, because like they'll have you jumping out of your skin. You know who's good for that? My buddy Omar. My buddy Omar is awesome for doing that. Oh, it's pumping, and it moved like 2 cents. And it's not pumping. Cut it out. You know what I'm saying? Oh, she's pumping. Oh, she's ripping. It's a 5 cent move. You cannot be emotional with this shit. You got to come in every day. You got to come in every day thinking you know nothing. No preconceived notions. No, just take what the picture is painting.
Okay, here we go. Well, I'm looking at the SPY, see if it does the pullback to the 9, which that's where it's at right now.
Yep, just pull back to the 9 EMA. Now let's see if it catches this this little trend line I got here.
Yep, nope.
Woo, look at that big candle dip.
Yep.
So now she's going to come down the other way. Wow, that was a big dip. Bro, we might see, I'm not saying we're going to see, we might see a short squeeze today. You might
I don't
see
know. Well, we got to see what it
squeeze.
does when it gets to that 915. Is it going to bounce right off of it, or 915.09? I mean 415. 415.09.
I'm like, what the fuck?
$415.09. Okay, I got my options ready.
Oh, all right, let's see what's going to happen. See, futures are starting to come back up. There is a gap up this morning on SPX. I just charted that in. Let's see what happens there. Live paper account. I got one call contract for 418. I only bought one. It was a $12 call. So right now it looks like I'm even or down $1, something like that. I might have to cut this one loose. Got to work on. You know what? That's what I should have done. I didn't do it. I should have bought that with the classic trader and put my stop loss, take profit in it. But today's a different day. Today's earnings.
What times is earnings? What time does earnings come out?
Earnings, they run all different times of the day. Some people are.
Oh, that's right. I'm sorry. It's just
people are during market. Some people are after market.
Yeah. S&P is like 500 companies. So. Okay, let's go, Reggie. Let's go. Either break to the downside or to the upside. I just need you to do something. See, volume is still 4.8 million.
Oh, that's pretty good. It's picked up another 3 million since we looked at it before. That was like 5 minutes ago. That's good. So we're getting volume.
Yeah, it just keeps going up. slowly. 93, 4.893, 4.894,
Yep.
4.895, 96.
So now let me see what happens here.
There it goes. Okay, I got my fib. A 2 minute. There it goes.
Big
Okay,
pop
I'm
to the bottom
gonna.
there. Big pop to the bottom there.
Yep. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna. No, no, no.
Now I'm looking to hedge in. I'm setting up for some hedge plays for a hedge play.
I'm looking for my confirmation. It breaks to the downside. Because it wicked the 415 level again. I'm just waiting. 18 seconds on his 2 minute candle. What's going on news? Stocks mix after BofA Goldman earnings. U.S.
Man,
house starts to decline as multifamily units dip.
oh. All right, that's 10. Want to see there's a
Truth GPT. Yo, by the way, I just found out that Elon had Chat GPT.
he was the one who started it.
Yeah, and then he got out when he found out what his partner wanted to do with it. He was like he was going like all crazy and nutting like, oh yeah, it's okay. He's
Well,
like,
no,
no, like
the
you
guy,
can't do that.
yeah, I watched the interview last night. The guy was like, the guy he had in there was like just losing his mind and wanting to do certain things. The guy got greedy, and Elon paid for all that money up front to get this guy going in the right direction.
Yeah,
And
and he
big
was
flex.
just like not thinking.
Nope.
Was he's just not thinking of the consequences.
All right, so looking for SPY to hit 414.87. I'm hedged
Well,
in.
I bought my put option right now.
I am hedged in right now. So I got a 412 put and I got a 416 call.
Okay, there we go.
First price target on the extension, it has hit. Now can it get down to 414.66, which would be the next price target hit.
This candle is gonna close in right now. There it goes. Price target. What is it like? 414, 414.28.
Oh wow, SPY is really ripping down right now. So now we're looking at on the fib retracement. We are in that zone right now to the downside from the daily yesterday. I mean, from pre-market opening pre-market this morning, which is 413.94.
Well, I took my profits.
Okay.
I took my profits. Damn, I don't even see what I mean. Bought at 86 and sold at a dollar 10. 18.91% gain for today.
Well, I'm down 54% on my call, but I'm up 26% on my put. So I want to see if we're going to break below um, pre-market opening candle, which, like I said, that's 413.94. But it's in my golden zone. So if it's hard to show you guys right now because I'm on my other. I can't.
Yeah, actually, if you put, look, there you go. Is that the golden zone you're talking about?
I don't know. I'm not looking at yours right now. Well, wait a minute. Where'd you start this from? You should
From
have started.
yesterday?
No, no, no,
Oh,
no, no,
yeah,
no, no, no.
right here.
Go start that fib at the pre-market opening candle.
Hold on.
Pre-market opening candle.
Pre-market right here? Yes.
Pre-market opening candle. Pre-market, not aftermarket. Pre-market.
Yeah. Hold on, hold
So
on.
4 a.m. 4 a.m. 4 a.m.
Where are you? Oh, I don't have for it. It just goes 23, 24, and then it goes right back to 8:30.
Hold on. Your pre-market. You have a
Yeah.
pre-market 4 a.m. You're
Yeah.
looking at it. You see, no, stop, Eddie. You got the
Uh-huh.
dark blue shade and then you got the yellow shade, right?
Uh-huh.
Start your Fibonacci retracement at where the blue and the gold meet. That's 4 a.m.
Oh, I didn't
That's
know
4
that.
a.m., brother. There you go. Start it in there, pull it to high a day, and then you'll see where I'm at.
What do you do at 4 a.m.?
That's when the market opened. Pre-market opened at 4 a.m.
Oh, look at that. It just kept going, just keeps going lower.
Yep, it's going lower. Like I said, I'd like to see it, but if you look, it should be still in your gold zone. It hasn't broken out. It hasn't broke below the 78.6. So is now we got to see again. We're waiting for confirmation.
There it is. It's hitting the oof. But I don't care
Well, I do. I'm
because
still in a trade.
I made
I'm
I
still.
got my 18%. If I would have had two options, then yes. I would sold one at my 18 and then I would have held the other one.
Wow, SPY's still coming down here. This is craziness. Some
Look at that. Went past my first level and it went straight down to the second level. Let's see what it does now. Right now, this 414. All right, I at least got half my account back.
There you go. There you go. I'm actually plus on the day right now because of my hedge. So we're just waiting. We're just going to let it run. This is how you can let your runners run. It takes away some of that anxiety because you know what you're working with. See, now we're below that 78.6, and I'm looking for 413.94,
Ooh,
which was the pre-market opening candle. Big flush there. We're smashing through.
oh my, yeah. No, I'm not even gonna bother. I was gonna try, but I was no, no, no. I'm not doing it. I'm doing the dom right now. I made my profits. Let me see. Everything else is down. Everything is tanking. Nasdaq. Woo!
Now, just keep your emotions in check. Just keep your
Tesla.
emotions in check.
Tesla is also down. Everything.
All right. So we have flash below the 413.94. So now we're just going to see now, is this going to be a reversal or just a little pullback? Let's see if we get another flush. See, the problem with this, when candles do this, is these option contracts are so sensitive. Like all your profits can go away in like a split second.
Oh, okay. That was yesterday's close to 413.94.
No, that was where you started your fib at. That was the pre-market opening candle.
Okay.
I'm not being
All right.
short. I'm just because here. Let me pull my microphone closer. That way, I don't have to feel like I don't. I don't feel like
No,
I'm shouting at.
I can hear you just fine.
So let's see if it holds this level, or if we're going to retrace now off this, because it smashed those two levels. Smashed them. I think I'm going to take my profit here at. No, nope, 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 nope. I got the candle coming back down. The wick is the rocket ship. Got a rocket ship. Let's see. A lot of indecision right here. A lot of indecision. We could be, as they say, hitting the air brakes on this downtrend. But let's see what happens. Bro, I'm so glad you reminded me this morning to hit my Fibonacci levels. I am thankful to you for that. I'm glad.
I kind of like. I was liking the. I was liking because when I put my fib up, I basically did the low. Oh my god!
Big indecision candle here on SPY. Watching futures, watching SPX. But this SPY candle right now on the 2-minute chart, it's very indecisive.
Yesterday's
So
low.
we might get a little indecision here, might get a little consolidation here, and then we might then we should get a move.
So this is what I'm trying to get used to on the fib. Marking the low, take it all the way to the high, and just basically if it breaks the fib, just take it down to the next level, and that's my profit target. The next the next.
That's where you need your fuck, I'm selling. God damn it. All right. I sold that contract. Hope I don't regret it. Switch over
But
to my call.
I took this break right here. I should have taken it down to the next level.
I don't know what
That's
you're talking about.
On my fibs, yeah, I have my fib up, so I took it. I had it from yesterday's low of day to the pre-market high, and then I saw that it broke this line to the downside, and then after that, shortly after that, it broke that fib, and that's when it started taking off. I'm sorry, started crashing down, started coming down,
Got
and that's where I took my trade. And my original plan was basically to take it from here down to this level, but it didn't. I was just thinking, how sometimes we get this big giant pull down, and then it
right.
pulls back, and it doesn't continue. So
All right. So now we're going to move this fib to this high of day to low of day. And now let's see what happens. So let me bring this chart back up for you off this last leg. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that because we don't need that. Don't need that. So now we're going to do this. All right. There's low a day right there. So now we need to move this over to here. 78.60. That's what we're looking for. That's our next trade in that area. So what now the hedge, the call, if this comes up on an uptrend and we get back into this box, this call, the losses I have in the call should get smaller when I'm down in this contract. So we got to wait and see what happens. This could have been just a quick pullback too. Right here. See that?
yeah,
Could have been just a small pullback. But you don't know what you don't know. Right? But there it is. There's your first leg for the day. There's one leg down. There's a big down leg right there. You know what I mean?
oh, look at that. I think it might break again. Let's see if it breaks.
It might. It might. So now I start looking at other contracts. Let's see. That was a 412. So now let's look at 410. So now I'm going to look at the 410 contract. We're going to watch and see if we break below 414. And I might take a shot at 410. I might take a shot at 410. So now you got to wait. You got to wait again. It's all about waiting to see what happens.
Volume is still 9.79 million. And is it still rising? Yeah, it's rising little by little. 91, 92, 90.
All right. So let's see what happens. Now we're just in a holding pattern. Now we just wait to see what's going on. Did you get your rush in? Did you get your adrenaline rush?
No, my nervousness came and then it went away once I sold.
This is gonna flush some more. I'm just watching futures, man. Futures is just flushing right now. Futures, the ES. I'm just watching this shit flush.
Could be trending sideways. I did pretty good. Hey, is my chart still kind of like blurry?
Yep,
Damn it. It's all your fault.
sure it is. Listen, I sent that graphics card to Steve.
Steven?
Yeah, I guess
Steven.
it's okay. Bro, futures are just flushing.
Steven. Do you want to be my friend?
All right, now I'm taking a chance because futures are flushing. So now I got to watch the futures. So I took another contract here on a 410 put on SPY. I'm in at 7 cents, $7. Looking at 413.34 if we break low a day, and then 412.70 if we break low a day.
430. Oh, yeah. Okay, I have it. But the same one. 413.58.
So let's see what happens here. See if I can catch it twice.
Let it go. Can we do the plane crashing? See, but you don't hear it.
Yeah, I heard that.
I'm just doing my paper trading account. I kind of like playing the first drop. It was so good. And then yesterday I was down in my account, but now I'm right back up again. One trade is all I well, two trades, no more than three.
I'm actually hedged in again. I'm in a nice little hedge again now with that 416 call and this 410 put.
Uh huh.
I am evenly hedged in. So if one goes up, one comes down. Now it's 1 for 1 money wise. That's a perfect hedge. One goes up, one goes down. They're both sitting at 7 cents. It's perfect. Now, that's not to say on a hedge, you can't lose money on both. Because if it just bounces in that range there, both contracts start getting the premium, start getting ate up till you're at zero. But I am plus for the day. So
Ah, but man, commuter, what you trading today, commuter?
commuter's waiting on me to get that Tesla.
Oh, let's do this. Tomorrow's gonna be another day, another opportunity. 9.89 million in the spot. It's inching up little by little. 2 minutes later. So, so yeah. So now we do it. Just the waiting game. See what happens. So I waited.
Yeah, we're consolidating right now.
So
It's
I
super
waited
consolidation.
a 9:52. So I waited an hour. No, 30 minutes. No, I waited an hour. just to make 18% in
Yeah, but
4 minutes.
18% is good.
No,
18%
no,
is
no.
growing.
No. I was trying to. My brother was like asking me. He's like, "Well, how long do you trade for?" I was like, "Dude, you only trade for like minutes. You're in and you're out. It is just that you're waiting the whole entire time. So it might take you like you might sit there for like an hour or two, waiting for that opportunity. Once that opportunity comes in, you're only in there for like minutes, sometimes seconds, because you just make the money really quick. You're in and you're
Yep.
out. Come on, Reggie. You're respecting the. You don't like the green. You don't like the green. You don't like the green line. Okay, get away from it. Get away from the green line. Okay, get away from the green line. See, it is consolidating.
That's it. That's where we're at. We're in consolidation.
That's right.
Well,
But it
well,
keeps wicked, and I'm gonna trust my instinct on this. I'm getting like I'm already in. I just took oh wow, I really over leveraged my but I'm just gonna wait for it. As long as it keeps wicking on that under that 9 EMA, then I'm just gonna stay in.
all right. Kiara must be having issues again.
Uh oh.
Yep, she must be, and she hasn't entered the room yet this morning. So,
Maybe she worked late.
uh,
Okay, maybe not. Maybe this is where it turns around. Still 30 seconds left on this 2 minute candle.
it's 418. I don't think we're going to get back to 418. I don't know. Still watching the futures, bro. I'm letting the ES guide me. ES futures kind of guide me a little bit on what's going on here. I tell you, Fib, bro, Eddie. I thank you for telling me about the Fibonacci. Thank you for teaching me about Fibonacci, bro.
It's
Thank
freaking.
you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
I think there was a there was a trader that I was listening to. I don't know his name, but he says he's like, all I do is trade the fib.
That's it. It's the way to
He's like,
do it.
I just market opens, I put my fib in there, and like, okay, once it goes past this
Now,
point, then I'll trade the break. I'll trade it and then sell the next fib.
now here's the other thing too, bro. With what Sergio showed you last week
Yeah.
on the daily, you can pull a fib retrace and put that right on top of that with the 50 moving average. You can pick your high spot, low spot on the trend, and you can do the same thing.
Oh, yeah. Correct. Yeah. And then you can decide where to take profits at.
Exactly. See, here's the thing: the futures are still under the 50. So on the 1 minute, it's still under the 50 moving average. So if it doesn't break above that, me sitting in this put isn't such a bad idea, except now without that price action, without it actually moving, premiums get ate up. And that's the problem when you're too far. Right now, I'm 3 spots out of the money on either option, which I don't. It's not where I want to be. I'd rather be 2 spots out or 1 spot out. But you got to pick your poison.
Well, the SPX is like riding the Amazon is coming down right now. Let me see, coming down, coming
What's
down.
Apple doing this morning?
SPX is riding the 50.
Apple is only up $1.25. Here, I got to reload. Be right back. Nobody's chatting in the chat group today. What the hell?
Yeah, no, maybe Uber. I mean, YouTube is blocking us. Oh yeah, doing the dom. Come on, I know you don't like that green line. Just don't like it, the green line.
Oh, look what's happening.
Nothing happening yet.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Still
yeah.
got
Here comes
10
Spy.
million, 10 million in volume, still going up slowly.
Here comes
47.
here comes Spy.
Oh, there it goes. Could this be it?
All right, I cut my 416 call loose.
Oh my God! Wow.
So we're looking for 413.34 and then 412.70.
413. Damn it. Okay, mine's at 413. Oh, I can't see it because my timer is right on it. 413.58, which it just hit. And then my next level is going to be 412.99 or 413. What is this? It doesn't say. 413.29.
Well, like I say, I'm running fib extensions. When I'm done trading here, I'll bring my chart over here and I'll show you again how to do your we'll go over Fibonacci again, where to pull, where not to pull, and then and extensions, because extensions are huge. You got to have your extensions. Because your extensions gives you something to look forward.
Let me see. 413.29 or at least close to it. I mean,
I don't even know how far I want to take this. How far can this go?
I don't know. You know what? I'm
No,
starting
no,
not to like it.
no. I'm talking. I'm looking at
I'm
my option
talking. No,
contract.
no. I'm talking to myself right now. It's like it keeps going
Bro,
right
bro,
back up
bro,
this
bro,
level.
bro. You can't be talking to yourself if we hear you.
Okay, get out of my head.
Not in your head. There you go. Now you can see my contract here. See my purple line? That's where I'm in this contract. So I'm up 3 cents. I was in at 7, up 3 cents right now to 10. That's a pretty good little percentage. That's 34%, 35%.
Four 13. Oh, okay.
Bro, you
Let's
got
see.
all kinds of I'm listening to that idiot, but he's calling out the news, bro, and you got all kinds of stocks dropping. Boeing's on the low, Microsoft's drop. You got all these
There it
companies
goes.
dropping. Oh,
Oof.
planes, airlines are glitching, airports are down. Airports are down again.
I need to get this. I need to get this trading.
413.34. We're right at it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Can it get there?
Oh my god! Wow, my put option will be worth $1.87 right now.
Well, this is why you and I are going to go over fib and fib retracement, fib extensions, so that you can take away some of that guesswork. We just hit the first extension. Well, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So this would be the third extension today from high a day down. Does make life a little easier, bro.
One. Oh, because you're counting the pre-market. Yeah, 1, 2. Okay.
Well, I
Yeah.
did today. I did today, which is because there was such a gap up from close of day yesterday to today. It's a huge gap up. All right, here we go.
Damn. Okay, I'm gonna sell this. I just took a quick trade. God damn. Um, on my live paper trading account, I just took another put option, but the moment I got in, it dropped down to my 412, down to my level, that 412 level. And I was like, okay, you know what? Forget it. Is it going to continue? Oh my
I don't know.
price!
I'm at 412.70 is the next extension down. After that, I got nothing. Then I would have to reset the fib extension charts, Fibonacci and fib extension. I have no idea. This is a lot.
What is this? 412.79. Yep. Yeah, I'm literally right there. What is this? 413.
We're at 413.13 right now. I'm looking for 412.70. Can it get there?
My next level is 412.20. If it goes past this one.
Well, that depends on how you're arriving at that. That's the support level, right?
Well, at the my fib, the next level at the fib, which is 78.6
Okay, I haven't.
from yesterday's low to today's high pre-market.
Okay. I'll look at that, but right now I don't want to change my chart. I want to leave it exactly the way it is because it's been playing out exactly the way it needs to.
It's just like the option went. I think it was a $20 option, and it went to like 30 something. I was like, oh, dude, and I just took it.
Well, that 412 option I was in, or no, what was that first option I was in? I was in what? Fuck you, Weeble, and pick a card. What was the first? Oh, that was at 412. Yeah, it was the 412 put is now up to $45. I don't like this. Boom, I'm out. All right, so I didn't make much on that contract. I'm out. I'm clean. Sold that one at 10. I might have jumped the gun on this.
Green is green.
Might have jumped the gun on this one. But
Yeah, mine. See, I bought at 23 and I sold at 29.
I mean, I still made 40% on that contract.
Nice.
Let's
Today's
see. Watch the sucker keep coming down.
23.57% today.
But now look. So let me show you this. Right. So are we going to get some more consolidation here, or is this another? Is this another leg?
Another leg?
I don't
I
know.
don't know. I don't know. I didn't realize that that was the third. This will be the third pullback. If I was to count the first one that it did when the market opened.
Oh, this one here.
Yeah. So this will be like technically one, two, and then never play the third. But I didn't realize that you said something. I was like, wait, hold on. Yeah. And by the way, you see that it keeps going from, if you look at my chart without messing up yours, it keeps going from fib to fib, fib level to fib level. Broke this level, went down to the next one. It broke this one, went down to the next one. Then it continued down to the next one again.
Well, it still hasn't hit. It came back up to that third extension, and that's where I sold. I panicked. I could have stayed in the contract. I didn't. Um, because this is just at this point here, this for me would be the second leg down and going into the third leg. And I don't like to trade the third leg. But I've got another contract dialed up. If it rips, I just don't know if it's going to rip or if this is where it's going to recover because I'm watching SPX is like bouncing off this 4140
Uh-huh.
level, but the futures are still coming down. It's still got a little bit to go. All Southwest airline flights are grounded right now.
In
Currently
Austin, in Florida?
in the country
What the fuck is going on?
due to another computer glitch.
I'm hoping that they didn't let that AI loose um, in the airline's computer system.
Get ready for Pete Buttigieg to say that Southwest Airlines is racist.
Yeah. By the way, and then they hired that airlines guy that he's never even been a pilot. Let alone, I mean, the only thing he knows about an
Wow.
airplane is how to buy a ticket and get on one.
Yeah, I saw that. I
Uh,
saw that. I
uh,
just love how everything is freaking racist. All right, let's see what happens.
okay, let's see. All right, I am done for today. Makes me feel like I should do some more push-ups today. All right, so let me see. Where did I start my account today? My account today what's today's date? The 18th.
Yes, today's the 18th.
What does Weibo say the 17th?
I don't know. All right, so I'm going to bring up my trading view and let's see if all this comes the way I want it to real quick.
Yep, so my account was 132. Now I got it up to 156. Beautiful. I like seeing green. Awesome. Bathroom break.
All right. When Eddie comes back, we'll go through what I was looking at on my charts. I can put a couple of things in here now. We'll put in our higher day. Here's lower day. So for anybody who's watching, we'll wait till he gets back. So I don't have to do this twice. Might be done traded for the day. Overall up 13%. So we might just wait and see. Come on, Eddie. We're waiting on you.
I had to put my huevos on hot water.
All right, you ready?
All right, show me.
You see my SPY chart. We're on the
Yeah.
2-minute chart. So the first fib I pulled was from right here, pre-market open to pre-market high, which was right there. Right? This is the first thing I was looking at. Then after that, we had pre-market high or open. What the flip? We had this opening candle range. Okay. And then it came all the way here, broke through that zone, right? This is where I got in the call, the 418 call.
Yeah.
Because it broke
Expecting
through.
it for it to go up. Okay.
Right. Because look, my fib extension. There. No, that's the wrong way. So off the lower day, back up to the higher day, which was right here, back to the lower day. So my extension was showing me that if it kept going in that direction, these are the
That's the
levels.
next level.
These are the levels we'd be looking at. Right? So hold on. That's a blue. I do all this a lot quicker a lot of times, but we're just going to go through it because some people might actually want to see this. I don't know. Okay. So now I can get rid of all this. If we kept going, I was looking for it to hit 415.83 and then 416.05. That was the first on the uptrend, but it didn't do that. up and then move. So from now, what I was looking at here was, let me make sure I got this right. High a day. I think I was just here. I was looking for it to set a new low a day, which it did. Right? It got all the way in here. So now we'll go from, all I did was go to the low of day. Wait a minute. No, I'm doing this wrong. Hold on. Damn it. Low a day to high a day, which would have been here now. And once it retraced back into this buy zone, the gold level here, that's when I got in the put. This is when I got in the put. So now also here, I set my fib extension.
Yeah, because if it didn't break to the upside, then it's just going to break to the downside.
Right. So then I came in and I put in my next levels, fib extensions. Okay. So now we're here off the fib extension, and we can see it broke through, and then we consolidated again. Right? It broke through all of that. So then we do it again. Right? At this point, I was looking to see, okay, from high a day to low a day, it had no chance. Never even, all it did was consolidate right here. So I waited. I had a contract dialed up already, but I waited. Once I saw this big red candle, I jumped in. This was a gut call. Okay, because that never happened. So now you got another one here. We went, hold on. So we broke through that. So then we come here to back to high a day, because that's where we had the fib that it broke through. And now you can see where I had my 412.70 and my 413.36. Remember I was calling these out?
Yeah. And it actually reached that point.
It got to that one, but it didn't get to this one. So when I saw this consolidation in here, I jumped out of the contract. So now I'm not in any contracts right now. I'm in nothing. Nothing. So now let's do this. Check this out. You go right back to your fib retracement. Off the last leg, high of the last leg down. And now we're waiting to see what it does here. Fibonacci works.
Yep.
You got to be quick with it. And that's why I say, if I was sounding a little short, bro, I wasn't short. I love you to death. But I wanted to be able to get these in, because there's a lot of stuff I got to be able to get in there in a short amount of time. But if you look, all your yellows are your greens and your blue lines are your fib extensions. We smashed through 1, 2, 3 fib extensions today. That's a good move, because we had a lot of price action here. So now we wait to see what happens. I'm not trading no more today. I'm done trading. I'm taking my 13%. I'm going to be happy with that.
Oh, I actually beat you today then.
Probably.
I got 23.57% for today.
That's my dog.
This is Sparta!
Now I just gotta get used to putting the fibs. See now what I'm.
You got to be quick with it.
I gotta be quick.
You got to be quick with it, and you got to know where to pull from.
So right now I like how I was doing my fib while I'm actually playing. Taking it from my low, putting a high in there, and then trade it that way.
Mm-hmm.
If it can work out. I was nervous. but I was playing the fibs. It broke one fib, boom. I should have taken it to the next one. This one, it broke, and literally hit the next one. And then this one it broke again and it went down to the next one.
Right.
So I could have made my money, boom, got out. Wait for it to break again, boom, I could have taken it and in one candle. Well, this is a 3 minute candle. Okay, and it did it again. So and then now I gotta get used to these putting the fibs and the extensions, which I actually have right there.
Okay. So
So
now let's
you would
let's
go
let's look
this way,
let's look at
this
Tesla
way.
on the daily. Let's look at Tesla on the daily. Okay, that 314.06 is pretty freaking solid there, right? This is on the daily. 1, 2, 3 hits. So this resistance at 314, 313, whatever it is, 314 is pretty goddamn solid. So now let's take a fib retracement, pull it to the low, which the low is right here, and look at that. Even though it broke above the 50 on the daily, it still hasn't gotten back up in here. It rejected here at 233 and it rejected at 208. Look at that. Solid rejections, right? 208 was the support bounce up. This is what I was talking. This is what Sergio was trying to show you, right? Trading that way. And then you add your twist into it. Now we got support resistance levels based off the daily chart for swing trades. And look how all these things bounce right at the same spot. Look at this, bouncing right there. Even though we're under the 50-day now, where we're right at the 50-day. You can use fib on any time frame depending on how you're trading it. Whether you're trading intraday or you're swing trading or you're moving into a long-term investment. You just throw your money in there and whatever happens, happens.
I'm looking at Tesla right now. I'm looking at the daily.
So if you're going to trade options 2-3 days out of the 2-3 weeks, a month out, there you go. This is how you use your Fibonacci levels to determine when you should get out of an option or when you get in an option. Because say you were in a call, right? Say you picked up a Tesla call when it bottomed out at 102, right? And say your call was whatever, it was $200 call, right? Well, once it got here, it broke through, so you were good to go. But now you see it's rejecting at 208. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. 8 trading days it rejected the 208 level. So what do? You sell your contract and you take all this profit here. Because once it gets into here, Eddie, premiums get chewed up because it's not moving. Premiums get chewed up, even on a month out contract. You start losing money. Obviously, the further away you are out in time, the smaller the moves are on your loss or gain on the contract, the premium. But you could have took your profits here and you'd have been in golden shape. It would have been the right move. Right in here would have been the right move to take your profits. Because look, it came back down and rejected, you'd have lost money. Came back up, rejected, came back up, rejected. Your highest profit was right here at this red candle, I would think.
See,
I don't
I'm
know.
mocking.
I don't know if that helps you or not.
No, it is. It did. Um, I'm just I'm mocking it. Uh, I'm fibbing Tesla right now and matching it up to your levels.
Meanwhile, Spy
But
is just hanging in there doing nothing.
see, and then if I was to put the fib here, the bottom to the high, it is literally in this golden zone that you talk about.
right?
the yellow zone, and then see if it breaks to the downside. I still have my option. You know what? I've even tried with TD Ameritrade if I could actually trade now the options. Fib.
SPY's just consolidating. I mean, it's just chopping or whipsawing, as Sergio would say. But there is a very good lesson on bib extensions. Uh, you know, just a really good way to look at it. And then you could look for if Tesla were to go ape shit, then you could look up here for an extension on the daily. But this would be a very, very, very long time frame out. Very long time frame out. This could be a year away if it were to get there. You know what I mean? That's a very long time frame out. There you go.
No, it rejected.
All right, I'm going to the
Got it.
bathroom. I'll be right
I gotta call him up. And that's how you make money trading. We need to get out of ride sharing. I want to get out of ride sharing. I want to get out of ride sharing. I want to get out of ride sharing. I don't want to do it no more. I like it. I just don't want to do it no more. I want to make $300 a day. No, $400 a day. I want to make $400 a day doing this. That'd be a nice trade off. That would be a really nice trade off. And yep. Oh, and by the way, I started with a $280, $280 account, brought it up to 100, 300, a little bit over 300. Then right back down to like 80 something dollars. And now I'm catching up. So now my account is to 156. So I got to have my account back. Little by little, baby steps.
baby steps. Avoid the big losses, and you'll be all right. There you go. We're back in the SPY right now. You see, SPY's not doing much. So let me show you a couple of other things while we're here in
So
trading.
by the
Go ahead.
way,
Go ahead.
by the way, on my I don't know why, but on my paper trading account, I am up $797.
It's because you're trading with no pressure.
Yeah.
That's why I said when we first got together with this, that's why I said you have to treat your live trading account the same as your paper trading account. And when you trade your paper trading account, you got to believe that's real money. You have to find some kind of way to Jedi mind trick yourself so that when you go
Yes.
over to your live account, you're not feeling that pressure as much. And that's why I also say you don't look at the goddamn dollar amount. You look at the percentage.
Yeah,
Percentage.
that's what I'm doing. But I'm
No,
trying. I'm
you've done
trying
real good.
on my paper trading account. I don't even look at my percentage. I just let it go to my profit target, and then boom, I just sell and get it over with. Then that's why I like my last couple of trades from today and yesterday.
They're
I don't
doing
know how
good.
much money I make. I don't know how much money I lose. All I
That's
know
it.
is that I'm out when I say I'm out, and I sell when I say I'm going to sell.
That's it.
But paper
Can't
trading, freaking
can
different
never
story,
lose.
man.
No, you can never lose by taking profit. So if you take that same percentage over, and a lot of it too, Ed, is you jump too quick. Not you particularly, just in general. If you jump too quick into
I
a
know what you're
trade,
saying.
because that happened to me yesterday. I jumped way too quick. I was ready to go. And I didn't let the setup happen, and I paid the price. That's life. That's life.
Volume
Don't
today
wait.
for, see, I don't know. I gotta get used to. I can't tell the damn difference. I can't. I really can't. I don't know what the hell
We're
it is.
still low volume today, right? We had that Russia volume.
Spy
But we're still
16 million.
right. So let me show you what else is in here on TradingView. Okay. So there's your whatever watch list you got, right?
Yeah.
Look at this. The only thing let me go to FANG right now. Everything is red today, by the way. Right? NASDAQ's red a piece. Qs are down a touch. Futures are down a touch. Oil's down a touch. SPY's down a touch. SPX is down a touch. All right. So let's go to FANG. Right now, Nvidia is leading the way, but they got earnings today, so it could be a pre-earnings pump. Okay, Apple's up a skosh, 0.5%. Netflix is down, Microsoft is down, Amazon's down, Google's down, Facebook's down, Tesla's down. Everybody's down today. Right. Meanwhile, we're watching SPY over here. So anyway, let me show you what else is in here. So here's alerts. So say you have something you're watching over here. You can set up an alert. Let me see if I can set one up right here for you. So let's say we want to know when SPY hits 413.84. So here you go. Add alert on horizontal ray. Right? When it's crossing. There's always you can do this. Create it. Now over here, I have so if SPY pops up over 413.84, TradingView is going to let me know. It's going to let me know. So that's alerts. Your data window on any of these things. So the low today was 413.28. High today was 413.66. It opened at 413.31. Your volume. This is per candle because this is on the that's on the 1 minute. So let's go to the day. You see the numbers change. So whatever time frame you're in, that's what'll show up in your data window.
Yeah.
So open today was 415.58. Low today is 412.93. So you know what that is. Let's get back into the 2 minute there. Because if this alert hits, I'm going to show you the alert hitting. Bro, TradingView's the shit. Okay. U.S. exchanges volume gainers. So this is like a mini scanner, so to speak. Percent change gainers. Look at this. ALLR. So whatever Alarity Therapeutics is.
How are you able to change that? Do I have to set it up?
No. Go into your little fire. Go 1,
Okay,
2,
I see
3,
it.
4.
Yeah.
Now.
Oh, okay.
So this volume gainers. So who's got volume? They got volume. That doesn't mean they're riding out. They rode out from yesterday. Let's put this on the 15-minute chart. Look at that. It was a runner after market yesterday. It closed at 732. It's currently trading at 1442. So that was a runner yesterday. That's all. Biggest loser today is PRST, whoever the hell that is. Presto Automation. They're getting their asses handed to them. So this is just something you can go through.
Yeah, remember how Sergio goes to the list really quick?
Yeah, but this you're not even searching for. So you can see what the price is under last. You can see what the percentage change is on the volume, right? So here's one. They got 51 million in volume, but the price is only, this is Bank of America. Their price is only down 1.1%. Here's another big runner. Oh, that's the ALLR. So That's all. Your calendar, economic calendar is in here. British. I don't know what this. Okay, so at 2 o'clock tomorrow, they're going to have their inflation, I guess, report, balance of trade. All of this shit is in here. Should be able to find earnings in here. Right? So there's that. I don't have any ideas. I'm not looking for it. I don't deal with I don't even know what the hell this is. You see, I don't have nothing. This is if I wanted to comment. But check this out. Here's live trading stuff. Here's people that are on video right now going at it. Don't know who they are.
So let's see what this is.
So I'm not going to go through all that, right? I'm just saying this is stuff that you could look at. There's all kinds of stuff you can go through here. People put up everything. This is why I'm saying when you watch too much of this shit, you get confused in your strategies. Always keep your strategies simple. Notifications, nothing there. There was news. What happened to my news? That's a chat. I forget where my news was. So there you go. This is just other stuff.
Chats, idea stream, notifications, calendar, data window, alerts. Yeah, no.
So there we go. Still moving here. Look at SPY. Big candle pushing down. This is on the 15-minute too, so that means this sucker is moving. See, another consolidation round. More range in this consolidation than we had up here, but still consolidation nonetheless.
How do you put you have you ever figured out how to put a chart on top of another chart in TraderView? Let me see if it's horizontal. No.
So here's the QQQ. This hard orange line. I don't like doing it. I'm sure there's more to it than that, but you know, it is what it is. But if I wanted to add the Qs in here, I can do that. And there's the Qs.
Wait, how you add the cues?
You can add another chart just by going up to where your symbol
Plus.
is.
There we go. Yep.
You can add whatever you want in there.
There's no way to change the lines on it, right?
That's what I'm looking at now.
No, maybe. Hold on. Oh, awesome. Yep. I was able to change it.
How'd you change it?
Right on the chart where it says QQQ, just hit the the three dots. No, I'm sorry. Oh my God, the little circle, the settings.
Okay, I'm in the settings.
Yep. And now do the line, candles, bars.
Gotcha. There you go. All right. See, learn something new every day.
Oh, this is awesome.
So there you go. There's your trading view. Stuff you didn't know that exists. And it is now 11:08, my friend.
Yep. We need to cut it short.
Yep.
Not
I'm up
really.
15% on the day. You're up 23% on the day. Everybody's happy. I'm clean. I'm not in nothing. 13, actually 14%, 13.9% today for me. So
All right. Let's end it. We are done for today. Green. I need to do this to the end of the year, and at the end of the year,
that's it.
I don't want to.
That's the goal.
I don't want to drive no more.
That's the goal. You know what? I'll make that goal with you to be done by the end of the year. by the end of the calendar year, because that'll give me 8 years part-time on the apps.
But I think we're gonna end up driving anyway, just to not be bored.
Well, yeah, maybe. Who knows? Who knows?
But that's the idea. Okay. I see bad
We'll,
things
we'll,
coming
we'll,
when it comes to
we'll
ride
work on that.
sharing.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. You
Because
ready?
let's go.
Hey,
See you guys
appreciate
tomorrow.
Appreciate everybody coming by. I know there wasn't a whole lot of people in the chat, but we'll be here tomorrow, 9:25 a.m. And with that,
Pow.